I did an interesting experiment today. I took my normal drinking glass. I drink osmosis water every day, several times a day. So I took my osmosis water, drinking water, with my osmosis ice. And check the pH. And it's quite acidic. Right in the middle would be balanced, about 7. The yellow says I'm way down at the bottom, probably under that 6.8, which means my osmosis water that I've been drinking every day is acidic, fairly acidic. So then I thought, well, that's the osmosis water. What does my tap water look like? Plain tap water. Very basic. I would say around the 8 mark. Slightly higher perhaps. So the tap water is very basic. My osmosis water is quite acidic. I would prefer to be drinking more balanced, more basic, if anything. So what's the solution? Let's put a little baking soda in your drinking water. Not much. And there you go. Just like that, your drinking water is now more basic. So the question is, how acidic is your osmosis water? Let me know in the comments. I know from now on I'll be adding some baking soda to my water.